Welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to join us. And my name is Chef Tate Roussel. I will be one of your instructors for this wonderful course on making a gingerbread house, a time-honored and one of our family's traditions. So I'm so glad that you decided to let us be in your kitchen and do it with you. So what I'm going to do first is going to walk you through making the dough, the construction grade gingerbread dough. It's a little bit different than gingerbread cookies, whereas some of the ingredients are different and the way you do it is different. It gives you a much denser, flatter, it doesn't puff, it doesn't spread, and a stronger dough at the end. So that's what we're going to be doing in this lesson. We're going to start off with the ingredients that you need for it and the equipment.